Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to find and use Bold Glamour version 2 effect on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. TikTok has now made the second version of the Bold Glamour filter, which went viral a few weeks ago. So let me show you how to find this filter on your TikTok app. So before you begin, you want to go to your Play Store, search for TikTok, and make sure you update your TikTok app to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here, you're going to tap on search, and you're searching for Bold Glamour 2. Now in the search results, you'll see Bold Glamour 2, and you'll see the original Bold Glamour effect. So here you want to tap on the first one, which says Bold Glamour 2. On mine, for some reason, it shows 2 Bold Glamour 2 effect. But just go ahead and tap on the first one. And once you do this, you'll see all the users that have used the effect. To use the effect, you're going to tap on Use this effect at the bottom. This will now go to your camera view. Now you just need to point it to a face. You can point it to yourself or a group of people. So here, as a test, I have a picture of someone, and let me show you the before and the after. So this is without the Bold Glamour 2 effect. And once that is applied, you can see her eyes, her nose, and her lips have changed. So the only difference which I find in this effect is that it works on multiple people. So the Bold Glamour effect version 1 worked with only one person, while this Bold Glamour version 2 works on multiple people. And there you go, that is how to try and find the Bold Glamour version 2 effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.